1.
Hi, it's Joanne from Amada First Aid, and we're back again with another question.
Yes, Joanne, how frequently do the first aid kits need to be serviced?
So first aid kits at a minimum should be serviced annually, so that's once a year for the majority of workplaces. However, there are some special workplaces like a childcare that they need servicing truly at 3 months would be the best, or 6 months, but it's truly up to the childcare centre itself. So they request when they need a servicing. The other place would be construction, which should be at every 6 months at the very least, but some places request it earlier. So it's up to you. The ball is in your court for when you need the service. However, if you want the best thing for your workers, it would be best if we did it more frequently rather than less. So that's how frequently you should do it.